In this video, we will go through the concept of string comparison in Java. Okay, so there are two ways to compare strings in Java. First one is using this double equals to sign. Everyone pause the video and try to recall where exactly you have seen this double equals to sign. Yes, so let's say you will declare two integer variables, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. If someone will ask you to compare their values, you would actually compare with a double equals to b, right? Yes, this is how you will compare two integers or any other primitive data type, to be precise. This is to compare any primitive data type, but string is not a primitive data type. String is non-primitive data type. So in case of a string, right, if you will specify double equals to, let's say you have a string s1 is equal to, let's say, abc, and string s2 is equal to abc. What happens in this particular scenario? If you would write s1 double equals to s2, it will actually look for memory location. That is, if they both are present in same memory location or not. So if s1 and s2 are present in same memory location, your output will be true. So if s1 and s2 are present in same memory location, right, your output will be true, else it will be false. Now, so everyone pause the video and try to think through it. Will you actually want to compare the memory location in normal use cases? Let's say I want to validate the password or I want to validate the email address. So for those scenarios, will you wish to validate the memory location or the value? Everyone pause the video and try to answer. Yes, we would actually wish to validate the value, right? Value, not the memory location. So that is why Java has given you equals method. Equals method is used to compare value. It is used to compare value, not the memory location. So if you would write s1 dot equals s2, it will actually check if s1 and s2 have same value. So I want all of you to pause the video and try to think through it. Does s1 and s2 have same value here? Yes. So s1 is also equal to abc, s2 is also equal to abc. So since they have same value, your output will be true. So just to summarize, right, your double equals to compares the memory location. So S1 will be occupied in some memory. S2 will be present in some other memory location. So your S1 double equals to S2 will look out for memory location. But S1 dot equals S2 will actually check for if they have same value or not. Now, let's talk about Java and their memory allocation. So in case of Java, right, whenever you will declare two strings like this, S1 is equal to ABC, S2 is equal to ABC, your reference variable S1 and S2 will be pointing to same memory location where ABC is stored. So to be precise, it will become like this. Let's say this is my memory where ABC is stored. This is where ABC is stored. So your S1 reference variable will also occupy to memory location 20, and your S2 reference variable will also point to memory location 20. So they both will be pointing to same memory location in this particular scenario. That is why your output will be true in this case also. Let's try to look at few more examples and we will try to understand it better. Okay, let's say we have a string S1 is equal to Sachin and string S2 is equal to Saurav and string S3 is also equal to Sachin. So basically S1 is also Sachin, S3 is also Sachin, and S2 is equal to Saurav. Everyone pause the video and try to predict the output in line number 6. Yes. So the output in line number 6 will check the value because it is equals method. So S1 is equal to Sachin, S2 is equal to Saurav. Is it the same value or is it different? Yes, they both are different values, right? So your output will be false in this case. It will basically check for value. Now let's come to next line, that is double equals to. Now see, if they both have same value, if they both have different value, for sure they will be present in different memory location. In same memory location, you can't store two values, right? Let's say you have this land. So on the same land, can you construct a house and a hotel also, or you can construct one thing only? One thing only, right? You don't have that enough land. So same concept applies here. You have a memory location. So in that memory location, if Sachin is present, Saurabh will occupy another memory location. Yes. So if you will check S1 equals to S2, do they have same memory location? No, it will be false because they both are pointing to different memory location. They both are different values, so for sure it will be present in two different memory locations. Okay. Now S1 is equal to Sachin, S3 is also equals to Sachin. Now we have equals method. It will check for value. Do they have same value? Yes. So your output will be true. Now, in case of Java, as I mentioned, S1 and S3 is reference variable, right? They both will point to same memory location where Sachin is stored. So here also it will be true in this particular scenario. But every time in Java, if you have to check for value, make sure that you use equals method, not double equals to sign. Every time, please try to maintain this because you are checking for value, not for memory location. So always go with equals method. Now we will run our code and validate our output. So we are able to validate the output. Whatever we predicted, we are able to get the same output. So this completes our discussion around the string comparison concept. Thank you, everyone.